up, you guys? Just doing some birding here at the Hitchcock Nature Preserve in Crescent, Iowa. Let's go see what we can find. Huge thank you to all the continuing subscribers out there. Really appreciate that support. In November, after the peak season, local fire crews do a lot of controlled burning. Native American tribes did this same burning for hundreds of years. It helps keep the undergrowth in check and also helps to keep the tree population less dense. The red-tailed hawk is one of the largest birds in North America, and the female is typically 25% bigger. They hunt from perches and also while gliding in the air, and they eat small rodents like mice and ground squirrels. Red-tails are monogamous, and they mate for life. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Be sure to click that subscribe button, check the description for some cool links.